Welcome to our guide on how to report lists from the Notifications tab on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the steps. First, navigate to the specific list that you would like to report within the Notifications tab on Twitter. Next, locate the icon positioned at the top of the list and tap on it to access the reporting options. Choose the Report List option and proceed through the steps as directed to provide all the necessary information related to the issue you are reporting. By following these steps, you can effectively report lists from the Notifications tab on Twitter, helping to maintain a safe and respectful online environment for all users. Reporting lists that violate Twitter's guidelines is crucial in ensuring a positive user experience and upholding community standards. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to report lists from the Notifications tab on Twitter using your PC. Take proactive steps to address any concerning lists and contribute to a safer and more enjoyable Twitter community.